I don't need to tell you, it is here. Halloween week is upon us. If you find yourself still, even 48 hours out, in need of a last-minute costume, we got your back. If your idea of DIY means a quick ghost made from a bed sheet, I mean, fine, it works, but we can help you do just a little bit better. We've rounded up some creative last-minute costumes that require nothing but basic supplies you likely have on hand. Creative Editor Jill Broadbent is here with fun ideas you can create day of, and no one will know the difference. I don't know this about you. Are you a dresser-upper?
I'm not a dresser-upper.
I'm
my
not
kids,
either.
All out for my kids.
Yeah.
I don't like to dress up, but there are those times where you need to, right? Like the spook alley at the church, or you go to the class party and you don't want to be the mom that like doesn't do anything.
Right.
But you know, it's usually not my forte. So these are easy ideas that you can just do for yourself. You could do it for your kids. We're gonna have a lot of different ideas here for you today, but just know when you see a photo that it could go any direction. You could do it for a different age, you know, it doesn't matter age, gender, whatever, lots of them will work interchangeably. So.
One thing they all have in common, they can be done, you say today.
Today, easy.
Okay, we're gonna start, there's a couple different categories.
Yes, we broke it down into 3 different categories.
Category 1 is just plain clothes.
Yep. So if you just have some basics in your wardrobe, things you can just go in and kind of make into a costume, we've got a few ideas for that.
You can be a cactus.
A cactus, is this not so cute? If you've got a green sweater or a sweatshirt, you can pin on just some little yarn details and you can look like a cactus. I thought that was just a really fun one.
You can be Pac-Man.
You could be Pac-Man. I love that this is on an apron, but you could do it on a sweatshirt or anything.
Is that felt?
It's felt, yeah. So you might have to make a run to Walmart or the craft store or something to grab a couple little supplies, but again, so quick and easy. You just cut the felt into circles and you'd be ready to go.
This one I could do no problem.
Right, copycat.
The
like
copycat.
Just a play on words. So some of those, if you can think of some of the things that are just like a play on words, then those would work really well. So some cat ears and a white shirt.
We can be a working professional.
I mean, this kid, I could not stand it. I had to show. There were lots of Jakes from State Farm, but that kid won it. So
someone who has
easy.
our respect at our house is Mr. UPS.
Right, everybody loves the UPS man. So again, felt cut out in the shape of the logo really makes it easy.
And something sweet.
Something sweet.
Oh,
the fruit, isn't that fun?
That's darling.
So think group costumes as well. If you've got multiple people you're trying to dress up, that's a really fun way to just kind of add that.
And that's just an oversized t-shirt.
But again, you could use a sweatshirt, you could use anything, but they're just adding felt detail to make it look like the fruit.
I love that. You could get your mom club together and show up at the school as a fruit basket. What's this?
This is milkshakes.
Oh,
so just wear your simple like vanilla dress, your strawberry dress or your chocolate dress.
Okay.
And then they just use batting on their head and a little balloon to make it look like the whipped cream and the strawberry or the cherry. So I thought that was really cute and simple. Just again, something from your wardrobe and dress it up just to give it another little.
I might have to borrow that idea. Penny, not to give anything away, but she's being an ice cream cone.
Okay.
And the cherries were going to go on the tip of her red sparkly shoes that, darn it, her feet are still too fat to fit into. She's still in the toddler chub. I don't know if she'll ever leave. We can put the cherry on top.
There you go.
There you go. That's where it belongs anyway. Okay, next category, costumes we can make that if we have access to, I don't know, an Amazon box?
Maybe.
Yeah?
I'm like constantly trying to smash them down in the recycle bin. But boxes of any sizes, we've got lots of different ideas for you that start with a simple box. So the first one we have is the fuzzy dice. How cute is that?
What is that?
It's just fabric, that really fuzzy fabric you can buy. Oh. So they covered the box with the fuzzy fabric and then again the felt circles for the dice.
Like the minky fabric.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could just use, I mean, you could use like the scrunchy plastic tablecloths kind of thing. You could, there's lots of different ways you could get that look, but they did use on that just some fabric from the fabric store.
This one takes me back to my favorite childhood game. Let's be a hungry hippo.
The hungry hippo is again a good group costume, but if you're just one hungry hippo, that would work too. So the box is on your head.
Hilarious.
And then how cute the little beads around the neck, that like ping pong balls, you know, just strung around your neck.
Hilarious.
I loved that one.
Cut a couple circles in that cardboard.
And you can be cheese.
You're a slice of cheese.
You're a slice of cheese. And this still falls under the cardboard category, but the mac and cheese using toilet paper rolls, I thought that was pretty clever as well. So again, you're kind of starting with your basics of your blue sweats and your yellow shirt to be the brand that we love. But
how are people so creative?
I know, right? But simple, and that's what I love about it, because it's not overwhelming.
Toilet paper roll.
Okay, and then now you've got
nail
polish. How fun for teenagers. They could all pick their color of nail polish they want to be and just paint your box to be the brand and color that you like.
Okay, simple but effective.
Fun. And a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, my son would flip.
Cardstock on top of your box.
Yeah.
Just cut it down to size and, you know, put a hole for your neck.
And you're actually winning. You're a winning Rubik's Cube. So it's not even just the game itself, but you're the winner.
So yeah.
Which my 7-year-old has yet to accomplish. So Halloween might be his time. All right, for this next category, balloons are involved.
Balloons, right. When I was 7, I was a bag of jelly beans. I remember it, but it was easy. It is, you know, you're a little more cumbersome that way, but they're so fun because balloons are so cheap and easy and can come in any color, so you really can customize and feel really done up in your costume. So here is that concept, the jelly bellies, which is a really fun way to do that.
So cute.
And then Dippin' Dots. I thought this was so fun to go
Oh my gosh.
Dippin' Dot route, right?
Yes.
So I thought that was super cute. Tinfoil on your cardboard
So just
again.
smaller balloons or less inflated.
Less air or whatever you put out there. So really cute idea. And then of course the grapes.
I've seen this. This is cute.
Such an easy way. You can be green grapes. You could be purple grapes.
You're right. Awkward to maneuver and
Exactly.
negotiate your day, but still cute.
Yes. And then our last one here is bubble bath. How cute is that? So again, you might need to mix a few of your ideas. You might need the cardboard for your bathtub, but then those clear and white balloons make look like bubbles.
Okay.
Just so cute.
The best. We got through a good load here. We're going to post a few
We have
more.
even more. Yes.
On our website and also on our social media. So head to Instagram if you want a few more ideas that fit in the category of can do today, but still really clever. Great roundup, Jill. Thank you so much.